You wouldn't buy a new car and just drive it until it broke down, would you? And yet, we treat our bodies like we would never treat our cars. We skip maintenance, ignore warning signs, and wonder then why everything hurts. Your body isn't a car because it's something so much better. Not only can it run amazingly smooth if you take care of it, but it can also repair and even upgrade itself. Like a car though, it needs regular maintenance. The problem is, of course, that nobody gave you the manual. And the fitness industry, it thrives on confusion and FOMO. It's all about being shredded and jacked. The car equivalent of making the bodywork beautiful while actively destroying the suspension and the engine. Hi, I'm Pavel, and this channel is my take on exercise and the fitness industry. I'm interested in what they are not, a long time horizon. If you want practical movement habits that preserve your mobility and options over decades, you are in the right place. Here is the problem. You wouldn't forget to drink water. You wouldn't forget to eat. But exercise? Most people think they can skip it, because time horizon for the consequences to arrive is long. So long that many never even see the connection when the calamity arrives. The car is a dominant metaphor of our era. Some things wear out, so you swap the parts. But your body isn't a machine with replaceable parts. Even the bits that feel purely mechanical can recover. With patience, therapy, and the right exercises, most body parts can spring back to action. I speak from experience. In my early 30s, my knees were wrecked, and going downhill meant they would lock up. Doctor recommended surgery. I said no. Through the right exercises, patience, and consistency, I regained full function. I can squat, kneel, and I hike almost every week. Not because I pushed to the limit, but because I worked smart to recover what I felt was mine. The body is an ecosystem. Everything connects. Tissues talk between themselves. Weakness in one area can affect another. Western medicine gets it wrong with its mechanistic view. It patches the symptom, ignores the system, and calls it fixed. Until next time. There is an overriding heal code built into all of us. We're not just bags of flesh that need pills to stay functional. As Dr.Goobie, an MIT-trained neurosurgeon, put it in his viral "Why I Quit Medicine" expose, when your body heals, it doesn't just heal worn-out joint in your neck or your back. It heals everything. And this is not mysticism. It's biology. You just need to give your body what it needs: movement, variation, and patience. Exercise should be thought of like brushing your teeth, a routine maintenance that everybody needs. The good news is, there is enough real knowledge out there to piece together an owner's manual. I've done that for myself. It's a minimalist one because I'm lazy. It follows the DSY principle because I'm built like a pianist and not a gladiator. But pianist or gladiator, working parent or grandparent, bullied teenager, or a busy retiree, we all need a smart way to stay strong and capable so our bodies can keep taking us on adventures. Much like my friend's 1992 Toyota. Most people treat fitness like a short project. This is why in 10 years' time, they wake up with less choice. They lose the ability to get up from the floor, to travel comfortably, to play with their kids or grandkids, and often end up reliant on meds or expensive and ineffectual procedures. My course is designed to stop that slow narrowing of choices. It gives short, sensible routines that you can easily fold into your daily life, plus a community that will keep you honest. If you want to keep your future options open, join the beta. Early members get direct feedback and priority access to future materials. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.